Good morning, everybody. Monday, the 15th of March, 2021. Let's put it right out there. Okay, I am a dumbbell. I am cheap. You guys know me by now. If you don't know me by now, I hate to throw things away, especially things that I put good money down. I don't know if there's such a thing as good money when it comes to the dollar store. But let's get right to it. Okay, I'm dumb. I'm going to own that right off the bat. I've been warned by you guys a million times. Okay, I own that. Pile on. Yeah, pile on when I'm down and I'm feeling like I've been stopped with the heel of a boot. Yesterday I was rooting around. I don't really want to go shopping because I'm going to LA, so I don't want to put stuff in the refrigerator if I'm going to be on the road and I'm scrounging around in the freezer, my refrigerator, lower freezer. Oh, found some old stuff that I had bought from the Dollar Tree. Some of it dated expiration 2013. I know. And I'm thinking to myself, okay, they find stuff from expeditions in Antarctica and the Arctic where the guys dropped off and died. They find food there, and it's been in the snow and ice for 100 years. And I'm okay if they can eat it, if it's still good. What's wrong with Farmer John hot dogs? Right, I'm $1 a pack. There's a lot wrong with them. Okay, and I'm paying the price for it today. I fired up a whole expired meal last night. And at the end of last night's live stream, I know I mentioned on it that I was feeling a little slobbering here, feeling a little topsy-turvy down on the lower decks there. I know y'all are laughing out there. This is heartbreaking, man. And then through the night, I'm having to run to the pot and back and forth and doing all that because take a lesson from me, okay? Don't be eating food that's past its expiration date. Canned goods I can't particularly speak about, but when it comes to stuff that's, quote, frozen, unquote, man, you're just... the ironic thing is... COVID-19 didn't get me, right? And then I'm so stupid with self-inflicted stuff all night of food poisoning here. I'm actually starting to feel a little bit better. I've been drinking a lot of water and managing now to keep the water down and things. Okay, I learned my lesson. Okay, I learned my lesson. And aren't the greatest lessons in life the ones that are self-inflicted and that we teach ourselves? Other people tell me, Rosie, don't eat that crap. Okay, throw it out. And there I am chowing down, thinking I beat the man, I beat the system. No. No. Anyway, guys, I'm going to recover myself and get myself back in good order today, but I do wish you a happy Monday. Thumbs up are appreciated. Be sweet down in the comment section down below. I know I did a dumb thing on there, but a lesson well learned. Love you guys. Thumbs up are appreciated. Have a great, great Monday.